Hey y'all, it's been a while since I did like a full vlog of what I was doing, but I've been meaning to do one for a while. One thing I've been struggling a lot on this project is that I'm doing a lot of the same thing over and over again, and I feel like it's kind of boring to put online, to be honest, which is why like all I've been posting are like little time lapses of these like mini pieces. But I'm trying to figure out better ways to do it, because that way I don't like accidentally burn out on it. So this is what I do after the pieces are done, the sections are done. I'm cutting them out, and then I'm going to like piece them together into bigger pieces, and then they're eventually going to go on the skirt. So one of the Peach's skirts. So that's pretty cool. I got quite a bit done. This is like, probably months of work over the course of a 3-minute video. I also glue the backs of all the pieces before they get sewn on the base, before they get pieced together. The reason for that is so they don't unravel and it becomes a whole mess. Like, they do a little bit when you cut them out, but it helps a lot, trust me. Yeah. So that's mostly what I did. I also, I don't know, a big thing that I did for this vlog is I broke out my sewing machine, which, by the way, was still in perfect working condition. I hadn't used my sewing machine in so long, I was convinced that there was going to be something wrong with it. No, it works perfectly fine. This PFAF, I love her so much. She's my favorite sewing machine I've ever used in my entire life. So now I'm working on the corset mock-up. I had some stuff on order, so I couldn't continue on the embroidery. So that's why I switched to this. But it was like really therapeutic because I could like get all my stuff out and like do something different than I've been doing for a long time. So this is a mock-up. It's not like, listen, I just will not buy any like actual materials for mock-ups. I will only use what I have unless it's something I'm going to use for the actual piece. So that's not quite the best way to do it. I also started cutting out fabric that I had stashed away for the hoop skirt. You should definitely iron your fabric before you cut it. I did not do this here. I will pay for it in some karmic way down the line. You definitely need to iron your fabric before you cut it. So that's what I'm doing here. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff done, quite a bit of embroidery. I cut out the hoop skirt. I'm marking the lines in this last clip here. And I got to as far of the corset mock-up as I could before I had to actually buy something for it. But yeah, so it was a pretty successful time, I think.